78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, not because they don't earn enough, but because nobody ever taught them how money actually works. Your school taught you algebra. It taught you the periodic table. It taught you about the War of 1812. But it never taught you the one subject that controls your entire life: money. And that single failure is costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to give you a complete financial education that most people never receive in their entire lives. We're going to cover the 7 pillars of financial literacy, from how to budget your first dollar to how compound interest can make you a millionaire, from the debt trap that keeps millions broke to the investment strategy that built almost every fortune in America. This is the video you're going to wish you watched 10 years ago. And pay close attention to pillar number 6, because that single concept separates the middle class from the wealthy, and almost nobody teaches it. Let's begin with the foundation. Pillar number 1, budgeting, the foundation of all wealth. Here's the uncomfortable truth. It doesn't matter if you earn $50,000 a year or $500,000 a year. Without a budget, you will always feel broke. Studies show that 1 in 3 Americans who earn over $250,000 still live paycheck to paycheck. Not because they're underpaid, because they never learned to manage what they have. The most effective system is the 40-30-20-10 split. 40% covers your essentials: rent, food, utilities, transportation, nothing more. 30% attacks debt aggressively. Every dollar of debt eliminated is a dollar freed from interest payments forever. 20% goes directly into investments. This is your future self's paycheck. And 10% funds your education, books, courses, skills, because every dollar you invest in your brain returns $10 in future earning power. On a $4,000 monthly income, that's $1,600 for living, $1,200 destroying debt, $800 building wealth, and $400 making yourself more valuable. That $800 invested monthly, at 10% annual returns over 25 years, that becomes over $1 million from a budget. That's the power of having a system. But a budget only works if you understand pillar number 2. And this one is where most Americans are silently bleeding money. Pillar number 2, understanding debt, the silent wealth killer. The average American carries $6,523 in credit card debt. At the average interest rate of 21%, making only minimum payments, that debt takes 17 years to pay off. 17 years. And the total interest paid? Over $9,000. You end up paying nearly triple the original amount for purchases you probably don't even remember making. Credit card companies earned $170 billion in profit last year. They are not designed to help you. They are mathematically engineered to keep you in debt as long as possible. But here's the critical framework. Not all debt is equal. Bad debt costs you money. Credit cards, car loans, payday loans, these charge you interest on depreciating assets, things that lose value. Good debt can make you money. A mortgage on a rental property, a business loan that generates revenue, a student loan for a high-income skill. These create returns that exceed the interest cost. Rule of thumb: if the debt doesn't generate income or appreciation greater than its interest rate, it is destroying your wealth. Kill bad debt first, then use good debt strategically. The wealthy aren't debt-free, they're bad debt-free. Now here's where it gets exciting. Pillar 3 is the reason money grows, and if you understand this one concept, you'll never look at a dollar the same way again. Pillar number 3, compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the 8th wonder of the world. Here's why he was right. If you invest just $100 per month starting at age 25 with an average annual return of 10%, by age 65 you will have $637,000. But if you wait until 35 to start the exact same investment, you only accumulate $226,000. That 10-year delay costs you $411,000. Let me say that again. Waiting 10 years to start investing $100 a month costs you $411,000. This is because compound interest doesn't just grow your money, it grows the growth. Your money earns returns. Those returns earn their own returns, and those returns earn even more returns. It's an infinite multiplication loop that accelerates over time. This is why the wealthy start early and stay patient. Warren Buffett made 99% of his fortune after age 50, not because he got lucky late in life, because the compounding curve explodes in the later years. Time is not just money, time is a wealth multiplication machine, and every single day you wait is the most expensive decision you'll ever make. But compound interest needs somewhere to grow, which brings us to Pillar 4, where to actually put your money. Pillar number 4, investing. This is where your money starts working for you instead of you working for it. Most Americans keep their savings in a bank account earning 0.5% interest. Meanwhile, inflation runs at 3% or higher, which means your money is actually losing purchasing power every single day. Your bank is making you poorer while making itself rich. The wealthy understand one fundamental truth. Cash is not king. Cash is melting. Assets are king. Here are the 3 most proven wealth-building investment categories in American history. Number 1, index funds. The S&P 500 has averaged roughly 10% annual returns over the past century, despite 2 world wars, the Great Depression, multiple recessions, and a global pandemic. If you invested $10,000 in the S&P 500 30 years ago and simply did nothing, you'd have over $174,000 today. Number 2, real estate. 90% of the world's millionaires built their wealth through property. Leverage lets you control a $300,000 asset with $60,000 down. Tenants pay your mortgage, the property appreciates, rents rise with inflation, and depreciation gives you tax benefits. Number 3, invest in yourself. Your skills, knowledge, and earning power have unlimited upside. Every dollar spent on education returns $10 or more in future earning potential. The golden rule of investing? Never invest in anything you don't understand. Warren Buffett has followed this rule for 70 years, and he's worth over $130 billion. Now, most people stop their financial education right here. Budget, debt, compound interest, and investing. They think that's enough. But Pillar 5 is the one that protects everything you've built. 5. Protection. 3 to 6 months emergency fund. Insurance for health, property, life, and disability. Build the shield before you build the empire. Pillar 6, multiple income streams. The average millionaire has 7. Start with 2, compound from there. And Pillar 7, money mindset. Pay yourself first. Buy assets, not liabilities. Think in opportunity cost. Delay gratification. This is the operating system that runs everything. This is the education the school system never gave you, but now you have it. And here's the truth. Knowledge without action is just entertainment. Information without implementation changes nothing. Pick one pillar, just one, and take action on it today. Not Monday, not next month, today. The cost of waiting is always higher than the cost of starting. If this video gave you value, subscribe to Cash Code and hit the bell. We release new financial education every single week designed to help you earn more, save smarter, invest better, and build real wealth. Drop a comment telling me which pillar was your biggest eye-opener. I read every single comment, and your answer might help someone else watching change their financial future. Now go watch this video next, where I break down the top 5 high-income skills you can learn in 2026 to earn over $200,000 without a college degree. I'll see you there.